Well, this is going to be special.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, the guests that we had on previously were saying, Clan Tynker's outside. They're here. Oh, and I want to thank you guys for getting up so early. You all live in Santa Fe, and
right.
we shoot this show pretty early in the morning, so thanks for, because it takes a long time to look this good, doesn't it?
I know.
I want you all to meet Santiago and Rebecca from Clan Tynker. There they are. You guys are, yeah, ta-da! Isn't that a circus thing? Last time you were here, Santiago, you were about 11 feet tall.
Yeah, I've sort of come down to earth now, and
Yeah.
seeing eye to eye with everybody.
For those who aren't familiar with you guys, after they see you today, they're going to be big fans. But you're a family circus troupe.
That's right, we are. We're all brothers and sisters, and we travel around the country. We're based out of New Mexico, but we travel around the country and around the world.
Well, where did your travels take you this fall, for example?
We were mostly based out of Houston this fall.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
There was a big Renaissance fair or something. It seems like I read on your website about that.
Indeed, yes. We do a few different Renaissance festivals throughout the country.
What a fun way to live.
Thank you.
I'll tell you. All right, this is a new show that you guys are unveiling that you all wrote. Can you talk about the Dream Train?
Yes, the Dream Train is, if many people know us from our circus act, that we like through the Renaissance fairs and things like that. We're taking our show into the theater and adding all the magic that comes with being indoors, under the lights, costuming, a storyline, more characters. We have 33 or so characters that we are playing. So
Between the five of
Wow.
us.
Wow.
Man, there's a couple of costume changes, I guess.
Yeah.
One or two. Each of you has a specialty, and we're about to see some of it here. How did you all learn this stuff? Juggling and stilt walking and unicycling and everything.
When we were kids, we were just very interested in this. Our dad did it as a hobby. We learned from him and just progressed, and we learned more and more and more as we went along.
And with the stilt walking, I started in the spring, and I learned by the first fall. Yeah, where's my rim shot?
Obviously, Santiago, you are the conductor of the Dream Train.
I am.
And where does the train take us?
You know, it's going to take us to many different places on the globe. We're going to go from the New World through Europe and Asia and points beyond. That's the exciting part when we go right off the edge of the map.
Wow. So do you guys write this together or separately?
We do. We definitely do. We got together at least once a week and just sat down and what do we want? What are the feelings we want from each country? It's a lot about the feeling, the emotion behind each country that we would go to.
Okay.
Did she get that dress in your shop?
I know.
Just wondering. Huh? So give us performance dates, times, all the particular details.
Yes, it's opening this coming weekend.
Oh my goodness.
Opening
Are
Saturday.
you ready?
Are we ever ready?
I know, right?
It will happen though. It will be spectacular. It's our premier theater production. So
Yeah,
here we
the
are.
Armory for the Arts, right?
Yes, in Santa Fe, which is really easy to get to from Albuquerque. It's the old Pecos exit. You know, you take it towards Santa Fe, and it's.
Oh, I know where it is. Yeah, it's Santa Fe.
Yeah. We're running 2 weekends and Christmas Eve. And that's it. It's a very limited run.
And people can get tickets from brownpapertickets.com. That's the
Website.
Are you guys pretty famous in Santa Fe, locally? A lot of people there know about you.
I would say that
Yeah.
we're pretty much the circus out of Santa Fe right now.
I know you walk around town looking like this.
sometimes.
I bet you do. And nobody in Santa Fe notices because that's Santa Fe, right?
And one of our goals with this production is also to get a lot of our fans out of Albuquerque up to Santa Fe.
Yeah.
It's a nice time of year to be there.
And you do have 'em.
And yeah, we know a lot of people down here, and sometimes the Santa Fe Albuquerque connection is a little separate.
it's okay.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's been a big part of this production for us, is that seeing the community really rise to the occasion and really support us for what we're doing. That's been a really special thing about this project.
Off to my right over here, I see a unicycle, I see juggling pins, Serendipity is spinning around like she does. And so can we turn you loose for a little performance here, and then we'll chat some more?
Yes,
Absolutely.
indeed.
Okay. If you guys haven't met Clan Tynker before, you're about to right now. It's a family circus out of Santa Fe, New Mexico, and let's give them the stage. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Whoa.
More?
More?
You want a little
Would you like some
more?
more?
Well, you do more.
Do you want to see something a little more dangerous?
Oh, that was pretty dangerous. Dangerous would be good.
A little more dangerous.
Presenting the highly magnified,
The thoroughly educated.
The one,
The only.
Elijah!
Oh my gosh, that was good. Come on back over. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
He really did that, didn't he? Yeah. Come back over, Santiago. The reason you play the accordion is you don't want to get in the middle of those juggling pins.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's very true.
That's just fabulous, and that's just a taste of what you guys do.
That's just a taste. That's our teaser for the show. You're going to see so many circus skills, but again, under those gorgeous lights, costumes, and music.
Amazing talent. Wow.
Can I ask you, how many hours a day do you practice just juggling?
when we're learning something new, we practice hours and hours a day. When it's just kind of keeping on top of our skill, we do a rehearsal about once a week between 6 and 8 hours rehearsal. Yeah.
It takes that. I can see that. To make it look easy,
Yeah.
you got to work. That's amazing.
And luckily, we get to do our show. We get to perform live. A fair amount. So we are happy that we get to do our thing, and it really keeps us up on our skills.
So will you be taking, I know it's debuting this weekend in Santa Fe, will you be taking that out on the road? Yeah.
That is the plan. Right, yeah, we don't have any dates lined up. This is our kind of run it, see how it goes.
Yeah.
Hopefully, see what the response is like.
Sure.
And then go from there.
All right. Well, the Dream Train, there's the schedule. You don't want to miss any of these performances. It's great for adults, great for kids, too. They love you guys, don't they?
It's so visual. How
Yeah.
can they?
Yeah, how could you not? Oh, you guys are just amazing. I'm really happy you're part of New Mexico, and really great to visit with you again.
Thank you.
The Dream Train with Clan Tynker, everybody, out of Santa Fe. There they are.
Bravo.
Now, are you a fan or
I
what?
am totally a fan. Totally a fan.
All right. We are going to be back. Thank you, Clan Tynker, for coming down. Really appreciate it.
Absolutely,
Getting
our
up early
pleasure.
to be here. All right. It's the Morning Brew. We'll be right back.